Batonga.
Hey, freestyles. Producer. Tapping of it.
You sani why no sami nyawani che. You don't know about that song here.
Even I pick up protector here. Still Dabi. I can rob him.
I've seen a first thing. Oh, the second one OG condom use. Go use condom. Preventing okay. Other sexual
condom.
It depends on the person.
Quality.
You never take a condom here. They are allergic to latex. Look, I can use condom. Look, over rashes. When you react, rashes spoil you. Hello, you want to buy you sandal. Rashes spoil hello, local. Apart from that,
say sometimes can't use hamu. You or your rashes.
Allergic to latex. Not like a pure condom. Rubber, latex. Some people are allergic to it. You have a reaction. Oh, no, go on and you move to try me a pure pack. Hey, I live pure rashes. Can you? I'm not going to get any loan. Okay, so no go never go in your top in a rubber.
Hey, let me walk anything. Law, okay.
So why you have practice safe sex? When a styles go make it in the hey,
it come about, but they get rough Friday. About just going
so you have to practice safe sex. The environment to allow any sex or have before. Oh, okay. Yeah, channel they buy introduce more. You are many anyway, you in a poor. Why you hearing a style? It's a no yet environment on the clean Kajamanomi. Anal sex, anal sex, oral sex, and a crack in my finger, and trying. Echo new if forward in Samina. I let gonorrhea, they can in a post and material gonorrhea. I near a he own no can in a post and we forward they get about what you eat. One of Anna. Why you are gonorrhea?
The man why you
Obeleka Jamano.
Okay, look, I know I be more careful.
After sex, oba make sure oba chu o genital can you mujimo oba chu le jeme can you jimo oba chu le jalo ba fo le jeme why you ba fo le jeme can you raw allow mouth soap say no use mini Nico me spray cry. And I you in spicy juice, Dettol, Parazon, he go by use Dettol, Nelly. It will get over you saffron poor, it will infection in a very severe. And go your hospital now recommend Dr. Mam, okay, I saffron, go I do. Poor you for weekend, okay, check and you look for you, you will learn a different. Okay, Jonah, so go Hijama. Come in the machine, you are guess no, you come, can a legend would why you're here on it, lenture a foil. Say, go, dear, it's a natural cleanser. Lenture for him, sometimes we know one in me. Holiday, what in your opponent when a legend while you're introducing infections there. It's a nearly look on a key, I do a key, go to washing pure. Over 30 minutes, net only in a 200 Chona. Hey, Seduce, Nina, a war you in a metua, he, or buy a feminine hygiene, different ones. I don't go, pH on normal. The manometra I use later side effects. Most of the time, I go for you use to clean water. For Congalano say, what I put to use soon you gallon kaki. Allo go ga ka ketwa no ka for legend. It's okay. Allo ko ngane if you don't feel comfortable, ngalo use soap or use mouth soap. We have mouth soaps that they are not scented. Okay. We use mouth soap or okay for legend. Wow. Allo after sex, so make sure ko ba zizan. After sex, so make sure ko ba zizan. Ko ozizan mi o. E for legend, allo ka bacteria ko legend ko. Enye fall alors after sex so ba make sure ko ba nu wa e ko zami obe le nu wa na kan natural cleanser e ba ni zamba to no e ba wash me jeme no ba ye ni eni ne they are rich in vitamin C so you bring ya to pineapple ka jama no me ko ale kan vitamin C it helps fight against what infections and ba ye jama no me asa
eh
ke ngemi ahu esa no nyene oya vaccines komene most of the time pure vaccine dey available peji vaccine enyo vaccine no agun for hepatitis B ke human papilloma virus no we sexually transmitted ke unge partner ne hepatitis B ngeyi no kele na bolu for some number of years so e ba nye ke ba samu human papilloma huja e ba nye ke ba samu the pure vaccines ne na agun for prevention no ba nye o ba agun for prevention aloke ngemi ahu wa be regular test to ngemi ahu ni la ma check for STI se ko menge koko ya ba glom ba check for gonorrhea ba check for syphilis na ba ye e ko be ponge ba check for yeast infection ko candidiasis ni no wa saminya
okay lo no ko question no e question ni ko mekeke okay yo wosen ne e ko release sperm o ke wo yo ne e ko no for your long consent ba because already your sperm o di ofun de pale aso o he no wash we no kenye ka 3 days
long no only mainly after sex or you have to wash down so na act or nature it was not the sperm po mo yo o le po loko intercourse eba no o le jo po ebe mi ni epo momo na after sex or po o le je po e ko nye sweat so na sometimes it depend nye sweat keni you have to shower but sperm ehiomi they play with her there's no way they bani o yo we ba dey follow e ba mo infection that
okay
so na ni ko me ngadi o se chapi ni ne
won ni ka se lojo ma no le bi nye ni ha o ha no he
ni no ni e ba no e ba dey o ba make sure kan after sex o ba do aloko be do pu o ba for yo he
okay no ko question no le hun ke like ke you ya pe no ko like you he ba wa we tapi kan like
it's natural okay you bona po ne po so no do ma oshi because e choka no do pay yo it's you are hitting the right spot
okay
jonana se no ko nge ko ba de ko wana wa se ya na o e po chodabi e choka no pay ngo hale
okay
because ke okay you nge bona ne po e choka no pay yo e mwe ile emwenya alono no ngepe po enenya chona seke you are hitting the right spot so alo pete he ko ne excite ile more bana kan naturally yo po mla alo po ba mla
ile ebukan hiyo yi
o chai
ai ko ne nge ba chona ko ne no ko white on nge ko jani enwisi
oyo na chapi yo
ya mo
education ke discharge so ba labe ko ni wa to discharge so me okay because when discharge different ne kekala no esano le kan yo ne
okay
kekala no esano le kan yo ne ke ga fuje kiko o ba le kan yo ne
okay say wange minutes bo ko ba so ne o brief o e no wa gbenya lo ko ne wa move bo ke ya
o gonorrhea le ke questions ni
o okay ibi enyo ko ne no ka ke question no like you no sometimes so ina ka po but the new sense ngem like plant or hair can go ya different
okay no ni ngede yo ne naturally you feel you discharge se ka discharge no ya here chon pe no ne ni o ne sometimes too maybe she can be ovulating.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes you can be ovulating because during your ovulation or discharging more. Wow. During your ovulation, after 1 menses, 2 weeks after your menses, o me kumori. You go me kumori ne e sperm po yakuyo. E riane jiopo.
Lord the man no me clear.
It can be that discharge. E go ba ko bewa. I don't know como pay, but it can be that discharge. No one can go onsa. Can't believe go onsa more. They are pale. One can go jing, can go onsa. Sometimes, next time, check pure one to be no like I say, we learn about ovulation. No part to me about ovulation. No, king ovulate pay one. because basal body temperature here dollar keni because obo menses nyam 2 weeks so mean she man you only no wo pay you ovulating Jonah sometimes o ni go menga ko nu shishi wa ko ene ni wo pay alo ene ni wo pay okay le ko nu shishi na difference o pay o ba na kan ene
okay no ka ki un ke so me pa mo pay o jama natural ni no map jo timetable na ke pure sex so e ke le leave me like 2 weeks to
no like it's a topic on its own it's simple c'est ko nu shishi ko nu shishi o be shishi nu alo e ko no ne gba mi ke chon mo saminya o be shishi nu Jonah no fia no ke bele ke pure menses menstrual calendar no go every 27 days pure menses no go every 28 days no go 30 then you go 32 every 32 days no go pure menses c'est quoi average ni 28 on a year wa yo hippie every 28 days per ana menses every 28 days per ana menses de ko yo
28 so en me 4 low 3 low 5 28 of
28 days
let 3 allo 3 days no back menses
oh that chabi can 3 days like every 28 days so you hina pure menses I hear wa
okay
but it doesn't number of days or it doesn't matter no go get pure like 3 days no go get pure menses 4 days no go get 7 days the number of days or it doesn't matter no need day or ko onu shishi no calculation or shishi it doesn't depend on dates ne o menses or baba you'll be able to calculate Jonah
ona jamano me confuse you now okay